This is my late father's slide rule. Got it for Christmas for my mom this year. My favorite present. I remember sitting as a little kid on his lap, and he would be doing all sorts of calculations with this for flow rates and what have you. He was a professional civil engineer, and that was the kind of things he did. And I remember him using this. I was an electrician my whole career. I'm now retired. But I used the same kind of method of that slide rule to do my addition and subtraction with my tape measure. So let's say we were going to add a couple of numbers together on the using the tape measure slide rule method. And let's say I wanted to add 5 3/8 to 16 1/4. I take the tape measure and bend it around, and I would put 5 3/8 on 16 1/4. See how they line up perfectly right there? The 5 3/8 is right on 16 1/4. And then we come here and we read 0 and we get 21 5/8. That is the answer to the sum of 5 3/8 and 16 1/4. Conversely, if I was subtracting, I would stick 0 on 16 1/4 and then come down here and read 5 3/8, and the answer would be 10 7/8. See how the 5 3/8 lines up with 10 7/8. That's the subtracted, those two numbers. So that method works real well unless the numbers are real close to each other. Like if you're subtracting 4 and some change from 5 and some change, the numbers are so close together on the tape measure that you can't really bend the tape measure around to use the slide rule method. So we add 10 to either number. Let's say we're adding just straight up 4 to 5, right? What we would do is we would add 10 to 5, so we make it 15. And then we put 4 and 15 and line it up, and it would come up to 19, right? So we subtract the 10 out of it, and we're at 9. And 4 and 5 is 9. And you can use all the fractions in between, and it'll just come out. That's how you do the close numbers. Those are the methods I've used throughout my career to eliminate the majority of my math errors. It also helped in the tools when you're up in a lift. You don't have to set down your tape measure to pick up your phone to use your calculator or pad and pencil, or you can just do quick math in the air, and it's very reliable, and it's always been accurate for me. So I hope it helps somebody. Peace.